All right, we are here at the Barclay in Kirkwood, Missouri. We have this very nice new Kone elevator. So let's take it for a ride.
Going down.
Now before we get in, this is level E. Level 1 is 4 steps up. So keep that in mind, because we'll check that out at the end. But for now, let's head down to B.
Basement. Going up.
Go to 4.
Fourth floor. Going down.
Let's go back down to B.
Basement.
So go back to E. I'm actually curious to see what the voice is going to say for E.
Exit level.
Okay, exit level makes sense. I also find that kind of interesting because that's the exit level, the main entrance, but the main level is actually listed as 1. So we'll go up to 1, and this is the 4-step difference.
First floor.
That was really quick, actually. Now we'll go back down to the E level.
Exit level.
It does kind of interest me how the fact they listed that as the main. And we'll just take a peek at it up here. Yep, here's the elevator. And see, it's not the fire service, the fire recall level either. I'll go ahead and ride it down the 4 stairs.
Going down. Exit level.
That was a neat elevator. And that's it.